Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have Hornady. What do we have? We have 44 mag, 300 grain, XTPs. And that's the bullet right there. We're going to go ahead and take these out today. We're going to take a shot out at, do a group at 100 yards, just see how they're grouping. These are new bullets to me. Never shot these before, so we're going to give them a try, see how they do. And we're going to do a little water catch, well, water expansion, popping water, hitting the denim, and seeing what kind of bullet, how they hold up, and will they do the deal. So stay tuned. I moved on that last one. I was wiggling. That was definitely me. Let's go ahead and do a water catch. Alright, let's see what we got. Definitely within 1 inch. That was definitely me all the way, 100%. I was moving around. If you want, I was seeing how they were aiming. Before actually doing this, I was aiming here and seeing where they were hitting, and that's the group right there within 1.5 inches at 100 yards. So, just so you're sitting there, well, you should have taken more shots just to be sure. Well, there's your other 3 shots to be sure. And not too bad. That's some Hornady jagged hollow points. Digging them so far. They're definitely proven to be accurate. So, let's check out the expansion. If I'm still, yeah, okay. All right, we got 2 little jugs. 2 little jugs. 2 juggers. Half juggers. Actually went through 2 pair of jeans stuck in the third after 2 half-gallon jugs. We'll take that back to the house, get a look at it. All right, folks, here we go. Took the jagged hollow point right here. And we did the group, as y'all seen, at 100 yards, and then we hit the water, and that's what we got going on left. These are 300 grain bullets. We got 6.7 on the expansion. If you kick out with a little bitty sprawl right there, 7.4, top to bottom, 6.6. Let's get some weight. These are 300 grain. Yep, 300 grain. XTPs, 275.2. That is not bad. So far, these are grouping well, and they're expanding okay. That's a good looking slug right there. That's a lot of lead. So might have found another one for the CVA hunter right here. That's Hornady. Thanks for watching.